Yeah.
Leray.
Here we go.
Johnny, catching jets.
Double it.
I got jet flu. When I touch down, I'ma get loose. Pull up in a spaceship. Call me Neptune.
Last one.
Two-step. Hit a slide when I walk through. Wrist watch. Got a big cup. Hating assholes. Get that bitch up.
Do it again.
Sitting on top. Get these bitches better. Come on. If you ain't getting money, I ain't fucking with you.
Hey, huh.
Go and grab your calculator. Add it up.
What?
Pop that pussy like a percolator.
Okay.
Every day my birthday, you should celebrate me. Come on. This is for them hating ass bitches. Yeah, them bitches in the
Do
bitch, I
it.
got bops.
Come on.
Yeah. Bitch, I got bops.
Yeah.
Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got
From the top.
bops.
Here we go.
They trying to throw rocks. They
Nice
think
and
that is
easy.
hopscotch. I pull up the show stop. They eyeing like Cyclops.
I see
These
you.
bitches mad. They blame it on TikTok. These bitches mad. I got all
Reach
these
it.
big bops. Hold on. Wrist watch. Got a big cup. Hating assholes. Get that bitch a big cup. Sitting on top. Get these bitches better. Come on. If you ain't getting money, I ain't
Let's throw
fucking
it.
with you.
Wait.
Go and grab your calculator.
What?
Go and pop that pussy like a percolator.
Okay.
Every day my birthday, you should celebrate me. Come on. This is for them hating ass bitches. Yeah, them bitches in the bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got
From the top.
bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got
You got
bops.
it.
Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got
Let's
bops.
reach.
Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got bops. Yeah. Bitch, I got
Throw
bops.
it.
Yeah.
We're good. Come on. 2. Look back at it. Hey. Yeah. Good job.
Thank you so much for joining me and my amazing, fabulous dance crew. We hope that you had a great time. This was a little snippet, little tasty taste, sneak peek of a 40-minute workout that is on our app, our website. It's called The Studio Online. You can look it up. We have 6 different apps: Apple Store, Apple TV, Android, Roku, Fire Stick, any device. You can watch it anytime, anywhere. Hundreds and hundreds of on-demand videos, and we live stream right from headquarters here every single day of the week. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Have a great day.